In this question from the chapter straight line, it says hypotenuse of a right triangle has its points, endpoints as 1, 3 and minus 1, 4. What we have to find out the equation of the legs, that is the perpendicular sides of the triangle, which are parallel to the axis, that is x and y axis. Now, more clarity will come as we make the Cartesian plane here. Let's say if I make this Cartesian plane. And what are the two coordinates we know? Number one, we know the coordinates of one as the first one as 1, 3. So let's say this being 1 and this is 1, 2, 3. So this is the coordinate of 1 point. Let's say I name this as A and its coordinate is 1, 3. The other ends of the this hypotenuse is minus 1, 4. So let's say this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. And this is 1. All right. So I can see that say I take this point as C, whose coordinate is given to us, and C is mentioned as minus 1 and minus 4 and 1. Now what we have to find out is the equation of the perpendiculars. So this is 1, right? So if I draw these line right, downward and this also in the same direction, so what we can see that they are meeting, these are the perpendiculars and they are meeting at this point. So this is B, which is 90 degree. Needless to say that we have AC as the hypotenuse here, and the side opposite to angle opposite to hypotenuse is right angle. So if I look into the coordinates of B, clearly it's visible that it is it's is this, right? So you can say that its x coordinate is 1. From here you can figure out, and its y coordinate on this side will be 1. Now what we have to obtain is the equation of this leg. So check here. You see that the BC here, if I talk about this BC is parallel to what? X-axis. So any line which is parallel to X-axis, its equation is in the form of y is equal to some constant, and the constant, let's say if I take B, and B is the coordinate of the point through which it is passing. So this is 1. So y is equal to 1 should be the equation of BC here. Now, similarly, if I look into AB, look into this AB, you can see that this line AB is actually parallel to y-axis. So equation of line parallel to x-axis, y-axis is what? X is equal to some constant, and the constant is the coordinate of the point. So it is passing through x is equal to 1. So we'll say that this is the equation of the line AB. That's how we will do this question.